Today, I will show you how to install and play God of War Chains of Olympus on any iPhone or iPad using the PPSSPP emulator. I will also be showing you guys the best settings to utilize so you can get the best FPS and performance when playing it on those devices. Now simply open your app store and then search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, simply download the app to your device. Once you download the app for your device, just open the app. Opening the app is going to create your PSP folder. So if we go to our file manager right now, locate your file manager. If you go to your file manager, you're going to see that there is now a PSP folder in here. So normally your file manager is going to open up like this. So you have to click on my iPhone. Once you click on this, you see the PSP section. You can see that a lot of folders have already been created. So what you have to do now is you have to locate your game file. As for me, my game file is inside the download section. So if I come in here, you can see I'm having game files in here. So what you have to do, you have to extract this game file, because right now these game files are actually zip files. So what I have to do, I will hold down on it. Once you hold down on it, you are going to see the uncompressed icon. So I will click on that to extract the game file. So right now you can see that the game file is actually ready. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hold down on the game file. Once I hold down on this, I'm going to see the move button. I'll click on move and then I'll go to the PSP section. So let me do it from the beginning so I don't confuse you guys. So once I go to on my iPhone, PPSSPP, PSP, game, I'll paste it in there. So right now I've pasted a game file in there. So let's reopen our PPSSPP emulator. So once we open our emulator, all we have to do now is just click on PSP game, and you can see that the game is in there and is ready to play. Now, like I said, you'll be needing some settings that is going to give you the best performance and FPS when playing this game on your iPhone and iPad. I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to recommend it at the end of this video so you can actually have access to that. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.